Wet odd morning. Actually late to the meet this morning, so whoa, just gonna do a little bit of traditional enduro riding on my own to get there. I want to take it a little steadier than when you're with your friends, because you don't want no accidents. Boys have been through here this morning, I can see the tracks. Beats riding on the road. Probably seen this in loads of previous videos if you're a subscriber to the channel. Basically our local track that gets us where we want to be and back. Oh, that is wet. That is getting me wet. Wet stingers. Things have changed. Things have definitely changed. Look at that for a log ride.
You see them thingy lads? Imagine that.
That'd be insane if we just cleaned top of that and tried to That's some big loggages. Is there a way around that one? Yeah, there is.
Tell you what would be good here?
What?
Heavy off looping.
Yeah. Oh, we'll have to make that happen. Oh,
More commitment that would have gone.
Yeah, why didn't you? Oh! Cheers, good. Yeah. Oh! Your nose bumped it out! Oh, hang on. We're on stars. Wait on, just in case you do go up at bars. Oh.
My right foot fell off, it slipped off.
Stuck on something. Hang on, let me. Woo! Oh my god, it gets gnarlier. What the hell? Wow, that's a sketchy pass there. Helmet's gone down, bang. We can try. I might be better off going back down. Rotate the front. Yeah. Just put back wheel.
Stand up straight up.
Oh yes, kid. Whew.
1, 2, 3.
We're out. I'll go park up. Oh my god. That was pretty savage, to say the least. Just a little steep. Oh. Oh hell. Just bin it over. Yeah, there's got to be a new bike coming in the way he's treating that. Oh dear.
I don't fancy this.
Good lad. Yeah, that's got some tech. Oh, someone's been over it. Kept tracked. Someone's done it, hasn't there? Gonna fall in river. Do you want me to try it first?
Yeah, I don't want to do it.
Just got to get front wheel onto that second log, haven't you?
It's a bit scraggly.
Good, that kid.
One slip and you down there.
Yeah. Jungle now, lads.
That way, innit?
Where's the exit from the river?
Left there, innit? Where you can drop in here.
Wow, they are skiddy. Look at that little chair in that. And a stove.
That low, we could ride most of this river.
I tell you, oh look at the bridge he's made. Let's go down there and explore that, Stokes. Park up. It's thing is, that ain't gonna last through winter, is it? Made a cool little spot there, whoever's done that. Yeah, they found a bit of slop in there. He's taking me with him. Oh well. Covered in shit now. This is off piste, lads. Oh, Stokesy with lines. He's done us with lines there. Woo! Super slippage.
That's just fucking stupid.
not riding, is it? Oh my god. I wonder if Teddy could get through there. I've lost gears. That was good, wasn't it? See if he gets up rock. Yes, lad. Yes! Yes, stuck, silly lad. Ah, she's gripping today. Oh no! Good lad. Got stabbed on there! Ow! That was actually really painful. Oh. Oh yeah! Send it! We're having one up here. We'll try and follow Stokes, you're pretty close. Ew. Oh, sick! Woo! That was a good way to end. Deep. Can't see. Can't see a way out. Oh my god. Help me. I've gone off bank. Oh, no. I think we need to turn round. Yeah. It's too thick, I can't get through it. Oh, I'm down. No. It just pushes you off. Cool. There's no way through. Oh my God. Oh my God. We've got in another one here. Well, I think we're ending the ride there, guys. That was an interesting one. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Get on board with the journey. Winter's coming. We're going to have some beauty content then. Let's get at it. We've had Stuxty and Cookie, PCT suspension with us. The tyres from endurotires.com have been delivered, but they're not on the bike. We're going to see how far we can go with these ones. I'll see you on the next one. Bosh! Cookie's getting on pipe. He's thinking about Guinness again.